my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play again with some of the clubs from March 2026 from Spellbinders, and from some older product like this beautiful embossing folder called Field of Poppies. This one was from the Wonder of Odds collection and is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm so happy to to use it today. It was released last November, if I remember correctly, and they create this gorgeous background. My panel is about 5 by 7, and I mat it in gold with some gold cardstock from the treasure cardstock from Spellbinder still. Now this is my sentiment, and it's been foiled with using the press and foil club for this month, and it's all a sentiment, and you can use for lots of occasions. There is birthday, Father's Day, Mother's Day, best friend, best brother, sister, so it's for everybody in the family. Now I'm attaching a little frame that I die cut in gold cardstock, the same gold cardstock, and I put a tiny little sleeve of font at the back, so so it gives you a lot more dimension. I added these large flowers already made, and I really wanted to use. I believe they are all the die set from Spellbinders, um, designed by Susan Tierney Cockburn, and their flowers are amazing. This one is not, I didn't make it as realistic that it could be, as I made it differently, but it's still gorgeous. So, and I really wanted to use them, so why not? So I glued down 2 of them, and then the large one I had a little foam square at the back, so it's pop up a little bit. Now these leaves and flowers that I'm adding now, they are from the large die of the month for this month, from March 2026, and they're so pretty that I had to I had to use them. I mean, I made so many from a previous card that I said, you know what, there is enough to make definitely a Mother's Day card, so why not? Now there is a different type of flowers. There's 2 buds. There is these beautiful leaves that I color with ink. So I ink blend some ink on top, and I use blues as well for the leaf. I think they made them very fairy tale like. So I really love the blue with the pink. There you go, and it will be very prettier it is, but I wanted to be more springy and happy, so I decided to add the yellow ones as well. So the yellow is one of the little flowers from the large die of the months that is got, you can make card for everybody because it's got sneaker shoes, it's got some element for barbecue, so I'll definitely use it for Father's Day, but this one is for my mom. So just gonna glue it down, there you go, and on those 2 I think I'm gonna glue down one of them here directly. Oh no, I had some yeah, some four square, so it will that can nestle between the frame. So I'm just gonna attach it there, and now it's flush between the frame. And the second one, again, a bit of foam square and a bit of glue, because it's gonna be between the frame and the base. That's it. All my flowers, I think they looks very pretty like that, yellow, pink and blue and green. And now, as a final touch, I'm gonna add a couple of gem. Those one are very sparkly, little diamonds that and they're a bit iridescent, so you can, when you tilt them in the light, you can see a bit of pink, a bit of green, a bit of yellow. So I thought it would match really nicely with the card. There you go, another one there. Sorry, the sun came out quite strong. So it's a bit, the video is a bit flush out, sorry. But I'm gonna see if I can, if I realize now, I might change the lighting. There you go, I just realized. So you can see a little bit better the color. There you go. And that's it, the card is done. It's very pretty, very dimensional. I hope my mom will like it. And thank you so much for watching. I've listed everything below. Have a lovely day and see you next time. Bye.
In a world that moves too fast, I find peace in the paper and the past. With every cut, with every fold, a little piece of my heart takes hold. Spellbinders take me home to the colors.